Hello world and welcome back to Level Up with Phil. In today's episode, I'm going to show you some work from home opportunities that you could do with AI and how other people have had success with them. So let's begin.
Give me 60 seconds and I'll show you exactly how to implement it. Posters like this are bringing in thousands of dollars of revenue every single month, and I'm going to show you how you can create something just like these using AI. As you can see, that poster I just showed you has brought in over 7,000 euros, which is almost 8,000 US dollars. Now, most of the people that are making these posters and selling them are graphic designers, and they're spending way more time creating their designs. But I do this using AI and spend a fraction of the time creating mine. What I do is use this site called Playground AI, and they already have all these pre-made templates that you can choose from and search from and start your design from. I have an idea of a poster.
A website that I know that's like that is like Canva. Canva does this thing, does the same type of AI generation.
I'm going to search Italy first. Playground gives me all these templates to choose from. Found this template to work with, and what I'm going to do next is hit this option down here, what if it were, and then I'm going to type in, what if it were in the style of Henry Matisse? It gives me 4 options to choose from. I'm going to go with this one because it seems like it's more in the Matisse style. And then on Playground, you can also resize it. So I'm going to resize it to a poster size, the aspect ratio 2:3. Then, since I'm on the pro version of Playground, I'm going to upscale this 4 times. There is a free version of Playground, but unfortunately you can't upscale or remove the backgrounds on the free version. I like to then take the design into Canva, add some text and a neutral background. Also make some mock-up images of the poster in Canva. Then take the process to printify.com, go to catalog, click on posters. They give you all these to choose from. I like to choose.
Honestly, my experience with Printify has been pretty good. I have a small Etsy store. The link is in the bio in my About Me. And I make shirts. And I have a couple of shirts, but Printify prints the shirts and they look really good and it's good quality.
This one's my favorite, fine art posters. And then I have all these different sizes to customize the image in to make a poster in different sizes. Once that's done, I'm going to upload my mock-up images, and then I'm also going to upload some of Printify's mock-up images. And these mock-up images are also going to be the images I use to promote on social media for the product to gain traffic to my Etsy store. Since I'm using eRank and I could see this poster that's selling a lot in this style, I'm going to use a pretty similar title because I know it works well. And I can also see the 13 best SEO tags to use on my Etsy listing for this poster. Back to Printify, I got all those tags inputted, and then down here is where I could edit the price for all 9 sizes that I'm choosing. Click publish. There we go. We got it listed on Etsy in under 10 minutes. Created a full AI generated art design poster with a design that I know works well and sells well on Etsy. Canva is free. Printify is free. All you're really paying is $15 for Playground. Not a lot of upfront costs. There's no excuse not to do this and potentially make a few $1,000s a month selling AI generated art. If you want to learn more ways to monetize AI generated art, I teach of 4 methods on this page, so drop a follow. If you could see yourself taking this seriously and want help from me, just comment on this video and I'll help you out.
Here's how I make 100 TikToks an hour with AI. First, go to a long form YouTube video and grab the link. Then copy and paste that link into Opus Pro and watch it make 10 short form videos with captions and a virality score so you know which videos will do the best. In a couple of minutes, you can get hundreds of videos that you can repost to all your platforms with a tool like repurpose.io.
No one talks about how all you have to do to make $10,000 a month is make $322 every day. Yesterday, I didn't even do anything for work and I still made $324. If you can sell something that's $50 7 times a day, you're at $10,000 a month. Another thing that absolutely no one is talking about is selling AI generated art online. This is exactly what I do, and this is what made me $324 just yesterday alone. You probably hear the word AI and think it's super complicated, but all I do is give AI a prompt for an image I want to see, and it generates an image for me in seconds. You can literally generate these images for free. You can just go to Instagram and do the Ask Meta AI. Ask it to generate you an image and it will generate you an image in seconds. And if you're like me when I started, I couldn't come up with any ideas to create an actual cool image. So if you can't come up with any ideas, just ask ChatGPT to come up with prompts for you. Problem solved. I then take these images and I sell them on my exclusive wallpaper subscription, or I sell them individually to stock photo sites, or I turn them into physical products like posters which sell for even more. All of this can literally be done straight from your phone. I work an hour, 2 hours max every day. I make money passively and I can just enjoy the rest of the day with my dog and go to the beach. If you want to learn exactly how you can make money from your phone selling AI generated art, I created a full step-by-step guide teaching you everything
I mean, I can give you guys, a couple hints at it. Basically, find something like Canva that'll probably generate the art. Then you're going to need to upscale that art and maybe transparent the background. I've done this on Etsy before. You put some of the images on Etsy. I never thought about making them posters. I might need to do that. Connect Printify with, that's who's going to make the actual posters or the shirts. And every time someone orders that item on Etsy, it'll automatically get fulfilled on Printify. And that's kind of what he's doing. I've experimented with this and I've had some success with it, but I never thought about doing, I did shirts, but I never thought about doing posters or like art.
Step 1, calodata.com. Not gatekeeping, calodata.com. Okay, so let's look at this product right here. As you can see, this is a product called Micro Ingredients with Pumpkin Seed Oil. It's done $359,000 in the last 30 days. So you can compete with this because it's not completely out of reach. We're going to scroll down and we're going to start looking at the videos that are generating the most sales. So the Calo data literally will show you what videos are generating how much revenue per video. Now it's your job to start diving through and figuring out which videos are going to be the best for you to use. Next, you're going to go to Shopify.com. Then you're going to take the product from CaloData and build out your own Shopify store. This can literally be done in about an hour and a half. Make sure it's clean, make sure it looks branded, very simple, not hard to do at all. Want to learn how to make your store look like that? I have a video on my YouTube channel, 42 minutes, step-by-step tutorial. It'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get back to the video. We have our product and we have our website built. Now we need to focus on advertising and actually getting customers. So these are all the videos on CaloData. But now what you're going to do is instead of just downloading the video and thinking you can use somebody else's video as an ad, you're going to download a bunch of them, maybe 5, maybe 10, and you're going to start to clip them together and make ads yourself based on the winning formulas that you can fucking see right there on CaloData. So you don't need to guess. You don't need to be like, how do I make an ad? Just look at the video that has $50,000 generated and then clip up a bunch of videos and remake the same exact fucking formula. And you're going to go to metaforbusiness.com. Once you go to Meta for Business, you're going to click on Ads Manager, and then you're going to have to go through these bullshit steps to make your account. This account is going to be where you're actually going to take the finished videos that you made, put them into the Ads Manager on Facebook, and run them as ads. And just like that, you found a product that's already selling. You have your own website. You have your own way to get traffic and your own way to get customers and your own videos that you put together. Just like that, you can make money right now. All of this is data backed. You can go on fucking CaloData, find the products yourself that are already making money, find the videos that are already making money, and all you have to do is put in a little bit of fucking effort, bro. That's it. That is all.
People are making $10K a month by reposting Mr. Beast videos.
Clip my videos. React to my videos on your Twitch stream. Put it on TikTok. I don't care.
Simply go to any Mr. Beast video on YouTube, copy the link, paste it in vozo.ai, and click on Get Free Shorts. In a few seconds, AI will automatically generate for you viral clips with eye-catching subtitles. Here's where it gets interesting. You can easily edit any changes using the built-in editor. You can change the caption style, create a new one, or translate your videos into other languages to avoid competition.
This is an automation that I sell to a physio for $350 every.
That's a very useful thing to have because, if you don't have the time to make short clips out of all your videos, using a tool like that would be perfect.
Single month, as it increases their reputation on Google, enhances customer experience, but most importantly, saves them time and money by automating manual tasks. Stick to the end to see how you can do it too. So when an appointment is booked on the physio's website, we'll send out an automated confirmation email with all of the information regarding the appointment. We then wait 24 hours before the appointment to send out a confirmation SMS asking whether the date and time still works for them. If not, we'll put them into a rescheduling sequence where we'll send out an email asking what date and time does work and then update the CRM system with the new appointment time. However, if the date and time does work for them, we'll wait an hour after the appointment has been completed before sending a feedback SMS asking how they enjoyed their experience with a link to a Google review. And once it's been submitted, we'll send another SMS with a discount for any future appointments. Now, usually these tasks would be done by a receptionist who would be paid around $2,000 per month. By leveraging AI, we can streamline these processes and save the business owner money by doing the same thing at a fraction of the cost. Automations like this are the equivalent to the Industrial Revolution, where laborers were replaced by machinery to do manual jobs. So if you want to be involved in the AI gold rush before it's too late, join my free community where I provide step-by-step breakdowns on how to create automations like this by clicking the link in my bio.
This guy made $5 million in a single year, and he didn't even know how to code. Instead, he used ChatGPT to create 2 mobile apps and launch them as a complete beginner. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a tech genius or even use ChatGPT to do this yourself. There are tools called white label software that are already built for you. All you need to do is add your logo, your name, and you're good to go. It's simple, it's scalable, and the best part? Hardly anyone is doing this yet. Getting in now is like starting dropshipping back in 2010. It's an absolute goldmine. And unlike all the other gurus on this app, I'm teaching you this for free. So if you want to learn how to get started, drop a follow.
The 5 biggest trends and business opportunity to look into. Save and bookmark this video for later, and let's get into it. The simplest way to start making money with AI is selling chatbots, and I would recommend looking into Chatbase or Whatnot or BotPress to build your own chatbots. You can sell monthly subscriptions between $200 to $500 a month, and you can also build customized chatbots and charge even more, $5,000 plus. Next, I would recommend to go and look into voice agents, and voice agents can be used for both inbound call, replacing customer support, or outbound call, replacing sales team, for example. So this is voice agents that can talk, and they're really becoming good, sounds like humans, so it's not have this robotic sound that you're thinking of. So looking into voice agent and start selling that to companies. The platforms I would build and look into are VoiceFlow, Vappy I really like, and Synthflow. Then I would start looking into AI automations, and you can automate so much work, so many repetitive tasks, and you can use Make.com or Zapier. Make.com has their own academy. There's a bunch of YouTube videos.
You think, yeah, repetitive. My man said,
tutorials. So look into AI automations. This is really a high leverage move to start charging premium for AI services. And then one of my biggest passion, and what I think is one of the most high leverage moves you can make, is look into AI coders and start building your own micro SaaS, software as a service. So today you have these AI coders that can build the software for you without you needing to know anything about coding or how to build apps, and you can build these micro apps that you can start selling. So the platforms I would look into are Cursor or V0 if you're a bit more advanced, and if you want beginner friendly platforms, I would look into Bolt.new or Lovable.dev. Just start playing around. You can build your own apps in just a couple of minutes. It's so cool. And the biggest trend in AI this coming year will be AI agents. And this is not automations. It's not automated workflow. It's autonomous agents that can think for themselves and take the next action autonomously and independently, and also interact with other apps, basically doing the work for you. You tell them what to do and they figure out how to do it and will do the work for you. This is going to explode this coming year. So if you want to position yourself well, learn about agents, I would recommend checking out Do Browser, AutoGPT, or Agent GPT. So there you have it, the 5 biggest trends and business opportunity to get into AI this coming year. Let's go.
Dad, so you make $10 million a year. That means you pay about $3.3 million in taxes every year. Do I look like I have stupid written across my head? I pay 0 taxes. How? First, I don't spend my money personally. I let my business pay for things legally. Travel, business expense. Meals, business expense. Even my luxury car, a tax-deductible business asset. That means before the government takes a penny, I'm reducing my taxable income. Second, instead of taking paychecks like a regular employee, I leverage business assets for loans because loans aren't taxed. And third, instead of selling investments, you use them as collateral and take loans. Again, loans are not taxed.
Wait, so wealthy people just keep recycling their money and avoid taxes legally?
Exactly, and it's not some mystery or secret. Everyone can learn this.
Where did you learn this?
I follow Andre Pennington on social media.
You need to use AI to start making 10K a month online without showing your face. Pays $5 per 1,000 views. And these faceless videos have millions of views. And here's how you do it for free. Go to InVideo AI. This helps you create high quality videos with a single prompt. The best part is that AI does all the work for you. Make sure when giving a prompt, be as specific as possible. With one prompt, this AI tool will edit the video for you. You can change the voiceover, delete scenes, change the stock video, or even have full control over the script and media shown if you want to. You can get started with InVideo AI for free, but if you're serious, I highly suggest the paid plan if you want to publish your video without the watermark.
So I'm gonna stop the video here. And for that kind of hustle like that, like InVideo AI is pretty good. I've tried their AI video creator, and I think it's good for storytelling type of videos. If you have no footage at all, that's what their thing is for. And I'm pretty sure that she's trying to sell the affiliate link of InVideo AI. So these are just some things to wrap your mind around of what people are doing to create work from home opportunities for themselves with AI. So this is the end of part 1. Like this video, subscribe. I'm going to do part 2, where we'll do more easy ways to make, income with AI. As always, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and research purposes only. If you like videos like this, then check out the link or the videos that popped up here. Thanks for watching.